In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header in Carrd. A clean, consistent header helps visitors navigate your one-page site and keeps important actions, like a contact button or links, right where people expect to find them. Here's how to set that up the right way using Carrd's built-in tools. First, head over to Carrd and open your dashboard. From there, select the project you want to edit to launch the builder. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button and choose Container. Think of a container as a flexible box that will hold everything in your header, like your logo, site title, and navigation links. When Carrd asks for the container type, choose either default or columns. Default is a single block that's great for a simple logo and button layout. Columns gives you side-by-side sections, which is perfect if you want your logo on the left and navigation on the right, for example. Pick the one that best fits your design and click Done to insert it onto the page. Now drag that new container all the way to the top of your page. This is going to be your header area, so keep it aligned and centered the way you want your visitors to see it. You can resize it later, but placing it at the top now sets the stage for everything else. Next, click Add again and choose Control. Control elements in Carrd don't display content, they control behavior. Open the Type dropdown and select the Header Marker option. This marker tells Carrd where your header ends so that the content above it can sit over every section consistently. Place the header marker directly below the container you created for the header. This positioning ensures your header stays on top across all sections as people scroll through your page. When that's set, click Done. At this point, your header structure is ready. You can now add elements inside the header container like text for your site name, icons for social links, and buttons that point to key sections. Keep things tidy. Use concise text, consistent spacing, and colors that contrast well with your background for readability. If you chose a columns container, balance your content so one side doesn't feel heavier than the other. Also, remember that many visitors will be on mobile, so keep the header height comfortable and avoid cramming in too many items. That's it. Your header area is in place and ready for content. With the container at the top and the header marker underneath, your header will appear consistently across sections, giving your site a polished, professional feel.